Hey, it's Sammy. On January 23rd, we took 6 trades in Dow futures today, YM symbol, for 161 points. Today was the president speaking at World Economic Forum, so we were anticipating some giant moves, and we got some good trades in today. We did have a break even in there, so let's check it out. This was our first trade that we took today. This is pre-market. And really what we're doing is we're trading a reversal off the high of day with our soda process. So we are only working with short time frame data here. You can see we are working the upper deviation area and the upper end of the Fibonacci grid. The trade is protected with our stop loss in profit. So if anything happens this trade, we're safe and we won't lose any money. Can really see this trade struggle around deviation 1 in this value area high. We're going to lock in 25 points. All right, we can see this is the open now. Things are going to get crazy real quick here. We went down, tested that 1 hour support, hit that VWAP, that pink line. Now we're going to jump in this trade going long. We tested the 76.4 Fibonacci pullback. You can see we've got that stop loss moved into profit because it's a very volatile time to trade the open. We'd rather protect our account and our psychology if anything happens. So we're protecting the trade. We almost got hit, but it held. The data is really starting to grow now. You can see we are testing these value areas. We're testing these VPOC areas. We're testing these highs of days and these deviation bands. As we punch through this deviation band, we're going to lock in 45 points. Price came back. It gave us another opportunity to enter and push through this high of day. Look at all of that excess momentum across multiple time frames. We have sentiment across 6 time frames. That's why this market is moving very aggressively to the long side. Now we're able to take our stop loss and put it into profit to protect the trades. This is why we don't have losing trade. As price starts to struggle here, we're going to go ahead and lock in 29 points. You can see all the little different patterns that are happening and all the places that they're happening. So we're testing this volume area high. We've got a new high of day that's been tested twice. Let's see what's going on here. We're in the trade. Our data kicked in. We're going to go ahead and move that stop loss to break even, protect the trade. And you can see that we got our stop loss, our break even stop loss hit, and we move on to the next opportunity. Okay, now we can see we're really working at this resistance line right here. This is R1. We're really working our deviation 1, and we came all the way down to test yesterday's high of day at that 100 Fibonacci level one more time. When we did that, we hit bull support. So now we're waiting for all the data to realign to go long again. We have our stop loss now moved to a break-even profit position. See how that data just grew like crazy. We had the volatility break. We have all momentum, all sentiment aligned, and we have confluence quickly hitting our 39-point take profit. This will be our last trade for the day. We still have all that data intact that we're working with, so we can just cycle in and out of this market. And we're going to go ahead and go long here again. We just started at 11 a.m. with the Davos speech, so let's see how this market ends up today. Risk-free trades by putting that stop loss into profit. This is really important and critical to protect your money and protect your trading psychology. Now we're struggling around in 161.8 here. We're just going to go ahead and try to time in, and we end up locking 23 points, which is still great. Get to wrap up our day with a total of 161 points.